Hey everyone, I'm Drex, and this is the 2-Minute Drill where I cover 3 hot security stories twice a week, all part of the 229 Project Cyber and Risk community here at This Week Health. By the way, if you've missed something in the past, you can always pick those episodes up, the old episodes, all the episodes around security at thisweekhealth.com/unhack. Today's episode is brought to you by Google. Healthcare systems are lowering cost and boosting endpoint security with Chrome OS devices paired with Chrome Enterprise, a secure browser that's trusted by billions of users. So now there's a better way for healthcare teams to work safely on the web. Learn more or schedule some time with the Google Healthcare team at thisweekhealth.com/Chrome OS. Good to see everyone today. Here's some stuff you might want to know about. There's a bunch of good reports out from industry leaders that are worth your time. First, the HIMSS Cybersecurity Survey has been out for a few weeks now. It's a good place to find healthcare benchmarking information. I've also become a big fan of the Healthcare Cybersecurity Benchmarking Study from Cincinnati. They do that in conjunction with the American Hospital Association and CLASS. That report is loaded not only with just benchmarks, but with tons of insight. You should totally read it. Third, the CrowdStrike Global Threat Report, the 2025 Global Threat Report is out. It's crammed full of great info on the 257 adversary groups that they track and a whole lot more. And fourth, and I'll stop after this one because there's others too, but the Verizon Data Breach Investigations Report, or the DBIR, has been published. That series has been published for a really long time, years now, and it covers all industries, but there's always a special call out on the healthcare industry. Also, in case you missed it, here's an interesting story from last week. An Oracle engineer apparently deleted something he wasn't supposed to, taking down EHRs at 45 or so hospitals across the country. They're pretty much all recovered now. So just a quick reminder that sometimes unscheduled downtimes come from cybersecurity events, but sometimes it's an operations error, and sometimes, like this event, it's a partner error. And just quickly, 2 healthcare breaches that are worth talking about in the final story today. First, Connecticut's largest healthcare provider, Yale New Haven, has notified 5.5 million patients that their data was likely stolen during a cybersecurity event last month. And health insurance giant Blue Shield of California is dealing with what looks like to be an error in the way it configured Google Analytics on its website over the past several years. That configuration error allowed Google advertisers to have access to sensitive data on more than 4.7 million patients. More on those stories and a whole lot of other innovation, tech, and security news at the industry's fastest growing news site, thisweekhealth.com/news. Today's episode was brought to you by Google. You can keep patient data safe and reduce the burden for IT operations staff and create a better clinician experience, all with one platform, Google Chrome OS with Chrome Enterprise. Find out how by scheduling a chat today. Go to thisweekhealth.com/Chrome OS. That's it for today's 2-Minute Drill. Thanks for being here. Stay a little paranoid, and I will see you around campus.